On the music front, Sole Mio are three talented Samoan lads that are set to rock the opera stage.
With their debut album due for release this month, Soanake Aholele got up close and personal with the trio on a sunny afternoon in downtown Auckland.
It's not your typical venue to showcase the talent we've come to meet. But then again, they're not your typical trio. The trio are Sole Mio. Moses Mackay and brothers Pene and Amatai Pati from Auckland have been singing together for the last few years. It's been a busy schedule for Sole Mio. The guys have been studying at the International Academy of Voice in Wales. They've just put on a charity concert in Samoa and are making a music video, as well as promoting their debut album. The trio made time to sit back and relax. So was it a lot of people? Stop traffic?
No, we managed to stop quite a bit of people. By force. Hey, listen, like, hey, stop here, listen.
Pene was so impressive that he was handpicked to attend the International Academy without an interview.
At first, I thought it was a joke. I really did, because for someone in the middle of in New Zealand, let alone Samoan, or to be contacted and say, "Come here and do your masters," I kept saying, "Wow, no, I think you got the wrong person." To be chosen, I guess, thank God for the talent He's given that I've managed to get that far.
I hear that you've got an amazing high C. Can you give me an example?
Oh man, it's like, wow, that was. I think that was the horn of the bus going by.
They're just jealous. They're just jealous. They're just jealous. Giving back to the community is important to the guys, and when asked to perform for a fundraiser back home in Samoa, they jumped at the chance.
They called us over about a month and a half ago, and they said, "Can you come please do Opera Under the Stars to fundraise for this cathedral?" We're like, okay. We didn't expect much, but we got there, and the preparation for it was incredible, and the show was a huge success. The song's called Yellowbird, and it was well received in Samoa. Yellowbird up high in banana tree. Yellowbird, you sit all alone like me.
Say, why opera?
I think it's something that we all kind of fell in love with. We're trying to break down that barrier between us and the society of people saying that guys like us should be rugby players or something.
A bit of sibling rivalry. Younger brother Amatai quickly followed in Pene's footsteps, winning the 2012 Lexus Songquest and heading to Wales. Moses, on the other hand, took a different road.
I was in the Emerging Artist Program with the New Zealand Opera Company, and then I got an email, and Pene had said, "Hey, look, I got a couple of brothers back in New Zealand," and he played him a clip. And I guess one thing led to another.
Tell me more about this new album. Does it have a Pacifica feel to it?
Oh, it does. Every single song on the album was because we had a story to the song, so that's why it means so much. This one was put in because it was my mum's favorite, and she listened to us sing it in the rest home. When the night has been too lonely and the road has been too long.
So with the new album out before Christmas and the trio head back overseas, there was time for one more question. What's the best song for serenading the girls?
Ooh.
Come on.
I have a little favourite.
Can you just practice on me?
Okay.
And Italian as well.
Yeah, but some Italian songs, all they can really